Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Nadine West box bag to unbag for you. I've got a few other things that I need to take care of today as well. But I'm going to start with the Nadine West. I obviously have not opened it yet. It's a bigger bag again this month. Or I suppose this time. I get them a little bit more often than monthly. I am a VIP member with Nadine West, so I do not have to pay the shipping for the packages, so I do get them more often. I am not paid to get these items, nor do I get the items for free. I'm just VIP, so I don't have the shipping. I've got two little bundles. Here is one. And then the other is probably jewelry. So let's open the jewelry first. Unusually get a box this time, so let's see what it is. Cute little box. B-O-U-M, I think it says. Alright. Oh, it's a little watch. So that's super cute. It's a little pink watch. And it looks like it's about 3 o'clock on the watch, which is not true. And it just comes with a little padded thing there. And baumwatches.com. And then you can always also follow them on social media. Alright, next we'll get into the bundle. Very soft stuff. So it looks like a little necklace, maybe. And it's very tangled. So that might need a little bit more work than what I have time on the video. It's really tangled, so that's just a little. Says different things on each side. True love, if only, and their love. But this is in really rough shape, so and I don't usually wear small things like that, so that one may just go right back in the little baggie that it came in. Next up, well, this is kind of cute. This is a shark bite top. And it's got some really pretty lace on the sleeve. This is by, let's see here, MOA USA, MOA. Yes, it's MOA. And that's really pretty. And next up, this is by MOA as well. Long sleeve. Little crochet. There's a lot of really loose threads on this. So I will try it on, but likely sending it back. just because the quality is really missing on this top. So last up, we have a pair of leggings from Show. They're just a nice little kind of geometric, and then they've got a little bit of mesh down on the leg. So definitely try those on. I'm getting to the point where I have a lot of leggings from this company, so need to start sending these back because I wouldn't wear them outside the house, and even on weekends I typically wear jeans around the house, so I'm not getting use out of the leggings that I've kept, so probably send those back as well. But I'll get things tried on here real quick and we'll see how everything looks. I've got that black top on with a crochet detail and the pink watch, and with all the loose strings. This top just isn't going to work for me, just with the quality details. So, and then here's the top with all the loose threads there. Not sure if you can see that, but all right, I'm gonna go over the prices here for everybody. All right, this top is $24.49. That will be going back. The shark bite top is $27.49. That will also be going back. The bottom, the Royal Runner leggings, are $26.99. I just think that's overpriced, so that'll probably go back. Then the little love bar necklace is $24.99. That will be going back. And the tinted temple watch is $49.99, limited time offer, and it says it retails at $135. And that will be going back. So I'm going to be sending everything back this particular time. It just doesn't work for me, none of these items. So kind of bummed, because I usually find things that I like in the bag. So, but just not the right bag for me this time. So that is it for now, and I will talk with you all later. If you have not yet subbed to this channel, please do that. Click the notification bell so that you can get updates when I do post new items, and then be sure and like and comment on this. Thanks so much. Have a great day.